Hello everybody, this is Lanko, and today I will be showing you how to never struggle again while reading Japanese. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be covering an add-on called 1010 Reader. Now, what exactly is 1010 Reader? Now, 1010 Reader is a add-on for Google Chrome, for Firefox, and I believe for other browsers as well, in which you can essentially read a text without knowing what the words are saying. You can go over every single word individually and see their meanings, and not only their meanings, but detailed information on their kanjis, such as how many strokes there are, what names typically have this kanji, the different, actually it doesn't just give you one definition, but multiple definitions of the same word, so on and so forth. I think it's a very, very useful add-on, which actually there is a similar add-on for the Mandarin language. If you're interested in that, it's going to be up here in the corner of my video. Please click on that if you're interested in, being able to read Mandarin without a hassle. But if you are a learner of the Japanese language and you want to be able to read articles, sentence mine, and do all these, beautiful things that happen in language learning, if you want to make the most of these effective methods of language learning, you are going to want to understand what you are studying. So to be able to do that, you can use this add-on, understand what the text is saying, and voila, there you go. You've just learned a bunch of new words from a whatever the hell article it may be. You can use a news article, your Japanese homework assignments. You can use this for anything that you'd like. There is another add-on, may I add, that is slightly more technical, which is called Yomi-chan, with which you can do many interesting things, but that will not be covered in this video. This video is just a quick video for all those people who are struggling with learning Japanese and want to be able to read articles, want to be able to read YouTube comments, want to be able to do all these things, but they're just like, man, my level is not just there yet. This add-on is perfect for you, and I promise you're gonna love it. There's no setup required for this. All you have to do is really just install it. You just go on to the Chrome store or the whatever supporting store you have. You download it, and that's the whole setup. Unlike Yomi-chan, which does take a little bit more. You have to install dictionaries, and you have to set up Anki with it. I'll cover that in a separate video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This has been Lanko. Stay tuned for more videos like this, more language learning tips. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and if you love this video, please tell me why you loved it. And if you hated this video, please tell me why you hated it in the comment section below. This has been Lanko. Have a wonderful day.